So what we're going to build today, this is going to be a mix of written instructions and also some very short videos to help really just with some of the parts, is the Moxon antenna, which is now affectionately getting named as the flying squirrel due to its shape. But it is an easy build. There's lots of parts, but it's a very easy build. The main thing that we've done is to make sure that you've got a common mode choke at the feed point, and just really to make sure that everything is relatively light. We've built the center on a PCB as usual. But yeah, that's it. I'll just give you a quick rundown. There's some the spreaders there, all of the parts that we're supplying with this one, because we need flexibility in the parts. All of these are ABS. We've got a center hub, where as you can see there's a hole through the middle, which makes sense, so you can pop that on top of a post. There's also a hole through the side. What that's for is to make sure that you can run it as a vertical or a horizontal Moxon, and everything including the little rubber ends we include in the kit. The wire is actually white with the kit, it's not green. This was just the original prototype antenna, which fortunately works great. And yeah, so that'll be it. The only thing that we would like you to keep an eye on is to make sure that you're aware that when you cut fiberglass, it's not the nicest thing to do in the world, so just be careful. If you want to wear some PPE like a face mask, I suggest you do, and just try to keep it away. It's really nice fiberglass, as good as fiberglass can be. It's nice and soft, it's dead easy to cut, and it's very strong, so at least that is pretty good. Anyway, we'll get on with the building a sec.